Conversations are just so funny.
Oh, my nose is running.
It's on Aaron and him. James over there. Everything you do goes on YouTube.
Thank you for bringing this idea up to me.
Oh, well.
You're welcome.
I really like this song.
I like it.
Hey, what's that?
White
Oh,
Hey,
we work together. It's kind of like the his hands.
You guys.
Every time when you looked away, I was like,
I know, but
Thank you.
and that can go on record too.
That was a good one.
I'm not afraid to use it.
Hey, watch
I
this.
swear.
Watch this. Shh, just quiet.
That was your mouth.
I know, but I was the ketchup. You know, whatever.
If they only knew. I know.
If they only knew what. Can I start calling you Barry Perry?
Ew, that's gross lettuce.
You have to give me a good enough reason. Back off. Do it again. Oh, man. Ketchup would have been flying.
And I would have been pissed if it would have gotten out of me.
Here, have some more fries. Hey, stop it. Hey, stop it. Stop. Shh.
I don't want to get kicked out. I want pecan pie.
You know.
Yeah,
No, I paid my money. I'm getting my pie.
I'm going to wait. You're going to have pie too.
When you laugh, your teeth come out. It's like.
Stop, now we're gonna be self-conscious.
Don't even worry. Don't worry about it.
When I laugh. I have my mom
What are you doing?
laugh.
No. I want him back.
Did you have to find the one that was most worthy? What happened to all your fries?
Fish stole.
Go bananas.
What?
Go bananas.
Oh, open it. Oh.
We just found me and Sierra in the 40 years.
Funny. Pick it up.
I know what?
Right there.
Shop throwing food.
Yeah.
Stop the